Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 3.4 question 1. If A ratio B equals to C ratio D, then prove that 2A plus 3B over 2A minus 3B equals to 2C plus 3D over 2C minus 3D. Solution is A ratio B equals to C ratio D, or we can write it as A over B equals to C over D. Multiplying both sides by 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 into A over B equals to 2 over 3 into C over D. We get 2A over 3B equals to 2C over 3D. Apply componendo dividendo property. We have 2A plus 3B over 2A minus 3B equals to 2C plus 3D over 2C minus 3D. Proved. We have proved. Part 2. Prove that PA plus QB ratio MA minus NB equals to PC plus QD ratio MC minus ND. Solution. We can write it as PA plus QB over MA minus NB equals to PC plus QD over MC minus ND. Ratio mean division. Now we will show that left hand side equals to right hand side. For this, as A ratio B equals to C ratio D, it is given, or we can write A over B equals to C over D. Let A over B equals to C over D equals to K implies that A over B equals to K and C over D equals to K. Look, A by B equals to C by D equals to K, so this is equal to K and this also equals to K. Implies that A equals to multiply this B here, BK, and C equals to DK. Now we will take this left hand side and we will put BK on place of A, and here DK on place of C. So taking left hand side, now left hand side equals to PA plus QB over MA minus NB. Put here BK on place of A. P BK plus QB over M BK minus NB. Now take B common from here. So here remains PK plus Q, and also take B common from the denominator. So here remains MK minus N. This B cancel with B, so we get PK plus Q over MK minus N. Say this is 1. Now right hand side we have PC plus QD over MC minus ND. Put the value of C, which is DK. P DK plus QD over M DK minus ND. Now take D common from numerator. So here remains PK plus Q and take d common from denominator. Here remains mk minus n. D cancel with d, so we get pk plus q over mk minus n. Say this is 2. Now look, one is pk plus q over mk minus n and 2 is pk plus q over mk minus n. From 1 and 2 we have proved that PA plus QB over MA minus NB equals to PC plus QD over MC minus ND, or we can write it as PA plus QB ratio MA minus NB equals to PC plus QD ratio MC minus ND. Proved. Question 2. Prove that A over B equals to C over D equals to E over F equals to under the root PA square plus Q C square plus E square over PB square plus QD square plus F square. Solution. For this, let A over B equals to C over D equals to E over F equals to, let this is equal to K. Suppose 1. Now equation 1 implies take A over B equals to K, C over D equals to K, and E over F equals to K. As all these are equal and these are equal to K, so take separately all of them equal to K. Now multiply B here, we get A equals to BK, C equals to DK, E equals to FK. Now take the right hand side here, right hand side, or now we can write under the root PA square plus Q C square plus E square over PB square QD square plus F square. Put here the A value which is BK, the C value which is DK, the E value which is FK. So we can write it P BK square plus Q DK square plus FK square on place of EFK, and in the denominator write P B square plus Q D square plus F square on its place and take it whole under the root. Now we can write it as P B square K square plus Q D square K square plus F square K square over P B square Q D square F square whole under the root. Look, this B and K whole power 2, so take this square on B and K. Now take K square common here. So here remains PB square QD square F square over PB square QD square F square whole under the root. Now look, this whole cancel with this. So what remains here? K square under the root. Cancel this square with square root. We get K. Say this is 2. Now look, 1 we have supposed this is equal to K, and from 2 look at here, this is also equals to K. So we can write from 1 and 2 we can write what? A over B equals to C over D equals to E over F equals to under the root PA square QC square plus E square over PB square QD square plus F square proved. We have proved it by K method. This method is called K method. Question 3. If x minus y over z equals to y minus z over x equals to z minus x over y, then prove that x equals to y equals to z. Solution. As we write the word as when we are using some formula. So as we know that a by b equals to c by d equals to e by f. So we can write this as add the numerators a plus c plus e and the denominator b plus d plus f. This is a result. This is equal to this. So as these equal ratio are equal to the sum of numerator and the sum of denominator, similarly we can write these ratio, the sum of numerator and this. So we can write x minus y over z equals to y minus z over x equals to z minus x over y equals to, add all these, x minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x over x plus y plus z. Now look, x cancel with x, y cancel with y, z cancel with z. We get what? 0 over x plus y plus z, which further equals to 0. So this whole term equals to 0. So take this, x minus y over z equals to 0, y minus z over x equals to 0, z minus x over y equals to 0. Multiply this z here. So x minus y, z into 0, or multiply both sides by z, let z into 0. Here multiply both sides by x, y minus z over x equals to x into 0, and here multiply both sides by y, z minus x over y equals to y into 0. This z cancel with z, x cancel with x, y cancel with y. What we get? Y minus x minus y equals to 0. Here y minus z equals to 0, and here z minus x equals to 0. Shift y to the right side, y equals to x, here y equals to z, and here z equals to x. Now look, x equals to y, y equals to z, and z equals to x. By transitive property we can write it as x equals to y equals to z. We have proved it. Look here, x equals to y, y equals to z, and z equals to x. So what does it mean? That x, y and z are equal.